Right, to get to the lock, which is valuable. If you're selling all 3 locks, it's a good idea to sell all 3. You need to get rid of the mirror, windscreen, I mean the glass. I'm gonna keep the glass anyway, just in case. That was good for spares. So you need to unscrew these 2 bolts and then couple down there. I'll show you in a second. So let's get onto these ones. Okay, sometimes you just need to switch on your brain a little and you will work everything out. Basically this spins out basically, but it won't spin out. So at first, so you just need to basically, I really need to get some decent filming equipment. Okay, just put a screwdriver in there and then tap it on top with a hammer and then it will all come out. Okay, here's to show you how the rear locks are held on. As you can see, there is a clip there, so I'm gonna remove that clip. Well, here I don't have a fucking clue at the moment, to be honest with you. And this lock is not allowing us to take out this door lock, central locking, which is gonna be quite expensive thing. Okay, well, let's try and release this then.